Hello everyone, welcome to the 6th episode of African Capsule. Yes sir, and I'm your humble host, Limbo Victor. And today we're going to be talking about historic, beautiful, amazing South Africa. Yes sir, South Africa. Without further ado, please, if this is your first time, don't forget to click the like button and the subscription button so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. And if you're a returnee subscriber, thank you so much for the support, and let's get to it. Yes sir. Officially, the Republic of South Africa. South Africa is the southernmost country in Africa. South Africa shares borders with Namibia, Botswana, Zimbabwe to the north, Mozambique and Swatini to the east and northeast, South Atlantic and Indian Ocean to the south, and South Africa totally surrounds the country of Lesotho. South Africa has 3 capital cities: Pretoria, Executive, Bloemfontein, Judicial, and Cape Town, Logistics. Johannesburg is the biggest city in South Africa. South Africa is a multi-ethnic society that comprises a wide variety of culture, languages, and religion. This even reflects on the number of official languages spoken in South Africa. South Africa has a total of 11 official languages, and the 4 most spoken languages in South Africa are Zulu, Xhosa, Afrikaans, and English. More than 80% of the population in South Africa are the Black South Africans, 8% mixed race South Africans, 7% to the white South Africans, and 2% to the Asian South Africans. The currency used in South Africa is called the South African Rand, with the highest note bill of 200 Rand, all controlled by the South African Reserve Bank. South Africa has had a total of 21 presidents, and not until the official ending of racism and discrimination in 1994, South Africa was only ruled by the whites. And after the end of discrimination and democracy implemented, Nelson Mandela became the first black president-elect by the people. And since then, South Africa has had a total of 5 black presidents, and the present president of South Africa is Cyril Ramaphosa. South Africa has the most UNESCO World Heritage Sites in Africa. Now, enough of history, and let's get to the fun part. Yes sir. Yeah, this is where we talk about food, amazing beautiful destinations and things to do, nightlife, places to stay in, festivals, and many more. Please, if this is your first time to this channel, don't forget to hit the like button and the subscription button so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you so much. Let's get to the fun part officially. Food. South African cuisine is one of the unique cuisine in Africa because South Africa is by far the most cosmopolitan country in Africa. In South Africa, you will find dishes influenced by the indigenous people, the Dutch, French, Indians, and Malaysians. And also, South Africa offers a vast variety of dishes to excite the palate. Here are some of the food you should try whenever you are in South Africa. Biltong, Boromos, also known as farmer's sausage, Bobotier, Koek sisters, Malva pudding, milk tart, pot jacos, Viet Cop, also known as the fat cake, shakalaka, bonica, Cape Malay curry, shisha inyama, amarula, and many more. South African nightlife offers a lot of activities and experience you won't forget in a hurry. South Africa has one of the best nightlife in Africa. It has a very vibrant nightlife in all the major cities, such as beach bars, rooftop nightclubs, and many more. Enjoy nightlife in Cubana Latino Cafe, Club Galaxy, Taboo Nightclub, Great Dawn, Fiction Club, and many more. Like we earlier said on the video, or in the beginning of the video, South Africa has the most UNESCO heritage sites in Africa and offers a lot of amazing destinations, unique wildlife, plants, and beautiful getaway destinations for your everyday enjoyment as you stay in South Africa. Here are some of the most amazing destinations and things to do whenever you are in South Africa. Robben Island, Isimangaliso Wetland Park, Cradle of Mankind, Cape Floral Kingdom, Kruger National Park, Clifton Beach, Lion's Head, Durban Botanical Garden, Horseback Africa, Henops Hiking Trail, Tugela Falls, Berlin Falls, and many more. Here are the list of resorts and hotels you can stay in whenever you are in South Africa. The Oyster Box, Fortune Hotels and Spa, Ulu Saba, Sabi San Game Reserve Lodge, Ivory Tree Game Lodge, Pezula Hotels, Royal Maliwane, Ulu Saba Rock Lodge, Twalu Kahari Resort, and many more. Enjoy amazing, beautiful, colorful, and entertaining festival and carnival every year in South Africa. South Africa has the most festivals in Africa. South Africa offers variety of festivals every year. These are some of the festivals you can enjoy whenever you are in South Africa. The Zulu Royal Reed Dance. This festival is only performed by virgin girls from all over the country. Since it is a royal dance, there are many rules, like no photographs are allowed to be taken. The festival takes place every year in September. Splashy Fen Music Festival. This is the longest music festival in South Africa. This festival has the adults and the kids event simultaneously, and the most friendliest festival in South Africa. And it takes place every year in the month of April. Cape Town Jazz Festival. This is one of the prestigious festivals in South Africa and the fourth largest jazz festival in the world, and gathers musicians from all around the world. This takes place every year in the month of March. Other festivals include South Africa Cheese Festival, Thai Posamkavadi Festival, Opikopi Bush Veld Music Festival, the National Art Festival, Cheese Festival, and many more. With that being said, yes, South Africa is totally an amazing, beautiful country filled with glamour and its own historic, beautiful, amazing destinations. Please don't forget to travel South African Airways whenever you want to travel to South Africa to enjoy the complete hospitality when visiting South Africa. Thank you so much, guys. We've come to the end of this episode. And please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscription button so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you so much. Until I see you next time, I remain your humble host, Limbo Victor. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.